as the spaceship traveled through the vastness of space. The kids spent their time studying the planet they were going to, analyzing the data sent back by the probes that had been sent ahead of them. Finally, the day arrived when they arrived at the planet. They landed on a wide, sandy beach, surrounded by crystal-clear waters and towering cliffs. The air was fresh and clean, and the sun was warm on their skin. The kids were thrilled to be the first humans to set foot on this new world. They spent the first few days exploring their surroundings, collecting samples and studying the strange and exotic plants and animals that lived in the waters and along the beach. As they settled into their new home, the kids set up their laboratories and began to conduct experiments and make discoveries. They worked together using their skills and knowledge to unlock the secrets of this new planet. Over time, more and more scientists arrived, and the settlement grew into a bustling research center. The kids, now grown up, were proud to have been a part of the first group to colonize this new planet. They knew that they had made countless discoveries about the oceans and the life that lived within them, and that their work would shape the future of humanity's understanding of the universe.